Reconditioned main control processor PCB from Graviner Mk6 oil mist detector. For testing, we add the PCB to a spare oil mist detector unit and we add a spare OMD head. By simulating the oil mist with some smoke testing gas, the unit reacts accordingly. Apart from hearing the alarm, we can also see the relevant indicator lights on both the head and the unit, as well as the message on the screen. It is now clear that the PCB is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.